Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are students from Pandit Dindayal Energy University. We are going to start our new experiment which is on screw conveyor. In this experiment, we study the working of screw conveyor. Screw conveyor, which is used to transfer material from one place to another place with the help of rotating helical screw blade called flighting within a tube. As you can see, this is the internal working of screw conveyor. Take 2 kg sand sample of certain mesh size. Charge the sand in the screw conveyor through hopper. Note the amount of sand collected at outlet of screw conveyor at interval of time t. For inclined screw conveyor, put the brick on base at outlet side of the conveyor. In inclined screw conveyor, charge sand in the screw conveyor through hopper. Then note the amount of sand collected at outlet of the inclined screw conveyor at interval of time t. Then we will create observation table at time 60 seconds for weight of sand collected for horizontal screw conveyor and inclined screw conveyor. In calculation part, first we will calculate the capacity. Material used is sand, so the density of sand is taken. We will put the formula of capacity of screw conveyor and put the value of capacity of screw conveyor and Ci, P and density of sand. So we will have the value of Cf, which is 0.6538. Proper calculation is for horizontal screw conveyor. For inclined screw conveyor, as Ci is not equal to 1, as there is an angle of elevation in screw conveyor, we can find the angle from taking the height of brick and length of screw conveyor. From graph, we can have the Ci value 0.92. We can put the formula of capacity of screw conveyor and putting the value of capacity of screw conveyor and Ci, P and density, so we can have the value of Cf equal to 0.715. From this experiment we can conclude that the mass flow rate is higher in horizontal screw conveyor and the lower mass flow rate in inclined screw conveyor because of angle of inclination.